Very good morning, dear students. In this lecture, we are going to learn stereoisomerism in carbohydrates. In previous lecture, we saw introduction and classification of the isomerism. Dear students, if we see the definition of stereoisomerism or stereoisomers, the definition of stereoisomers is the compounds which having same empirical formula or molecular formula, same structural formula, but they are differ in configuration. Such type of the compounds are called as the stereoisomers, and the phenomenon is called as the stereoisomerism. What is meant by the configuration? Configuration means arrangement of the atoms in the space. Configuration means arrangement of the atoms in the space. The stereoisomers or stereoisomerism is classified into the two different types: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. These two isomers are critically to the working of living cells. That means the geometrical isomers and optical isomers, they are critically to the living cells of the working of living cells. Dear students, if we see geometrical isomerism, the geometrical isomers are formed due to the double or triple bonds formed between the two carbon atoms. Geometrical isomers are formed due to the presence of the double or triple bond between the two carbon atoms. These geometrical isomers are structurally rigid. These geometrical isomers are structurally rigid. Hence, they preventing free rotation of the carbon atoms. They preventing the free rotation of the carbon atoms. There are two possible arrangement of the atoms on either side of the double or triple bond or unsaturated bond. For better understanding, to imagine a plane drawn through a molecule and examine which functional group lie on either side of the plane. If we want to understand geometrical isomerism, then it is necessary to imagine a plane drawn through a molecule and examine which functional group lies on either side of the plane. Dear students, on the basis of the arrangement of the atom or group of atoms on the either side of the imaginary plane, the geometrical isomerism is classified into the two categories: cis isomers and trans isomers. In cis isomers, the specified atom or group of atoms appear on the same side of the imaginary plane drawn through the molecule, while in trans isomers, the specified atom or group of atoms are appear on the opposite side of the plane drawn through the molecule. If we take an example, cis trans pair of the malic acid and fumaric acid. This is the structure of the malic acid and this is the structure of the fumaric acid. If we see the molecular formula, structural formula of the malic acid and fumaric acid both are similar, but the arrangement of the atoms, also known as the configuration, the configuration of the both molecules, malic acid and fumaric acid, are different from each other. This is the imaginary plane drawn through the molecule. See here, this is plane passing through the or drawn through the molecule. And if we see the arrangement of the atom or group of atoms on the either side of the plane drawn through the molecule, see in malic acid, this is the hydrogen atom and this is the hydrogen atom, and this is the group of atom COOH. Both hydrogen atoms lies on the same side, and both COOH group are lies on the same side. And according to the definition or concept of the cis isomers, this malic acid shows cis isomerism because both atoms or group of atoms are lies on the same side of the imaginary plane drawn through the molecule. If we see the fumaric acid, in fumaric acid the atoms, hydrogen atoms, lies on the opposite side of the plane drawn through the molecule. Similarly, the group of atoms COOH lies on the opposite side of the plane drawn through the molecule. And according to the concept of the trans isomerism, the fumaric acid shows trans isomerism, or the malic acid is a cis isomer and fumaric acid is a trans isomers. Both malic acid and fumaric acid, they are stereoisomers of each other. But they do not enantiomers. They are stereoisomers, but they are not enantiomers. Enantiomers means not mirror image of each other. Malic acid is commonly found in the some plants, while fumaric acid, it is an intermediate product of the sugar metabolism. This is the best example to understand the geometrical isomerism or cis and trans isomers. In addition to this, the vitamin A, we know that vitamin A is one of the vital vitamin and is concerned with the vision power of the animal. This vitamin A is existed in two different forms, cis and trans form. Cis form is not effective against the night blindness. Cis form of the vitamin A is not effective against the night blindness, while the trans form of the vitamin A is very effective against the night blindness, or they have vital importance in vision power. That means the molecules which exhibits two different forms or two different isomers, they are critically to the working of the living cells. This is the first type of the stereoisomers known as the geometrical isomers or geometrical isomerisms. in next lecture we will study the another type of the stereoisomerism known as the optical stereoisomerism. Thank you very much.